Good morning, dear learner. Welcome to science class. To, Today we are going to learn about plants through the chapter 8, Getting to Know Plants. Observe the plants in the school garden or a nearby park. Are these of same kind? Do all of them have flowers? No, you will find that all the plants are different. Some are big while some are small. Some have big leaves but some have small leaves. Some have blue flowers, other have red flowers. And there may be some that have none. When you closely observe the plants, you find differences in their stems, roots, leaves, branching patterns, and so on. Categories of plants. On the basis of size and nature of stem, most plants are classified into three categories, that is, herbs, shrubs, and trees. Each category has different characteristics. Let us take a look at them. Okay. Categories of plants. Parameter height. Herbs are short, less than 4 feet, and shrubs are medium size, less than 8 feet. Trees are tall, many meters. Color of the stem, color of the herbs is green, and color of shrubs is brown. Color of trees also brown. Thickness of stem, herbs are thin, shrubs are thin, and trees are thick. Hardness of stem, herbs are soft, shrubs are hard, trees are very hard. Branching pattern. Herbs. Herbs may not have branches. Shrubs, the stem has branches near the base of the plant. And trees, the stem has branches in the upper part, much above the ground. Lifespan. The lifespan of herbs, short lifespan, lives for 1 or 2 seasons. And shrubs' lifespan is many years but less than the lifespan of trees. And the lifespan of trees lives for several years. Examples of shrubs are tomato, mustard, and sunflower. Examples of shrubs are lemon, china rose, and rose plant. An example of trees, mango, peepal, gulmohar, etc. Look at these. This is banana plant, that is a herb. Tomato plant, herb. This is rose plant, shrub, and this is mango tree, that is tree. According to an estimate, there are 2,50,000 types of plants. While walking around the park, did you find some plants with weak stems? Plants with weak stems that cannot stand straight on their own and spread on the ground are called creepers. Please underline all the keywords and difficult words. So what are creepers? Creepers are the plants whose stem is weak and they cannot stand upright. So they spread on the ground. Plants like bottle gourd, watermelon, and mint and are creepers. This is the figure of bottle plant, watermelon, bottle gourd, watermelon, pea plant, and the money plant. Now, plants with weak stems that take the support of walls or other plants to climb are called climbers. Plants like pea and money plant are called climbers. These plants, pea plant and money plant, are called climbers. Now, parts of a plant. Plants have different parts. Each of these parts perform a specific job. The parts of a plant are divided into two main systems. These are the root system. This is called the root system and this is shoot system. Shoot system consists of this fruit, leaves, bud and flowers and stem. And the root system consists of primary roots and secondary roots. The part of the plant that grows mainly under the ground forms the root system. So what is root system? The part of plant that grows under the ground. The parts like stem, leaves, flowers and fruits that remain above the ground is called buds, form the shoot system. Dig out a small plant, wash the roots with plenty of water, observe the different parts of the plant, carefully sketch the plant and label it properly. This activity you can do at home. Otherwise, this will be done in the school when school reopens. Now, the root system. The part of plant that grows under the ground is called the root system. It always grows towards the gravity and moisture away from the light. Types of roots. Plants have two types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. Tap root. In some plants, a single root comes out from the seed after germination. It is thicker at its upper part and generally tapers downwards. The primary root gives out several branches in every direction. These small branches are called lateral or secondary roots. This type of root is called taproot. Examples of taproot are mango, neem, pine, carrot, radish are some example of plants in which taproot is found. This is the kind of taproot. The first is primary root, and from primary root lateral roots arise, and this part is stem. Now, fibrous roots. In some plants, a bunch of thin fiber like roots arise from the base of stem. These are called fibrous roots, like this. These are the fibrous roots, and these are found in grass, maize, wheat, onion and rice are example of plants in which fibrous roots are found.